Behold, the elevator at the South Bay condominium in Ocean City, Maryland. Here's a Delaware elevator. And these lanterns are completely useless. 402. Now, try to G first. G. Unfortunately, yep, it's locked. It's like all the floors are locked. So let's create a cabin. Nice cabin. Should like it. This one has a rear door. Wow. Certificates right there. Use your phone. And the capacity is 3,500 pounds. I don't think I can access the floors. Oh, but I can go up to one. That van is tall. My God, it looks so sweet. Back to G. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.